Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini from Lowborn Classic Vehicles. Today I can show you this stunning Suzuki Gt200 X5. It's from the 80s. It's an absolute stunning bike. It's been fully restored, but with the addition of these Hagon sports exhausts, which sound absolutely awesome. I'll just walk around the bike. Very quick bike, lovely little 200cc, two-stroke engine. It's got the alloys. A lot of work's gone into this bike. It's beautiful condition. Fully painted. Engine's been done. I've had quite a few of these, but this is definitely the most attractive, especially in this lovely yellow colour. Just straighten that mirror up. There we go. I'll fire it up in a minute to show you what it sounds like. These old classics are just stunning. The new bikes these days are just plastic. You can't see the engine or anything. They're a little bit boring, to be honest. So it's a lightweight little sports bike. It's great. So I'll fire it up to let you hear it. Hasn't been fired at all today. It is stone cold, as you can see. The engine is to die for though, so I'll put it on, put the fuel on, choke. Has an electric starter, which is nice. You can just kick it as well, but there we go. Just one little touch and it should be away. How lovely is that? Absolutely beautiful. Turn the choke off now, it should be okay.